Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyidah Mariam Nakmi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now, look over here. What are the expected learning outcomes of letter E? The student is expected to identify letter E and its sound. Learn the words that start with sound E. After that, we have to teach them how they have to write small letter E, its vocabulary words. We have just given over here elephant and an egg. The elephant is playing with an egg. You have to teach this statement well, and you have to ask the question that are given below. After that, you have to make different flashcards like elbow, like engine, like envelope. You could see over here, engine, envelope, elbow, and you have to visualize to the students these flashcards, okay, for their vocabulary. Get it? Letter E, its sound and vocabulary words, we have to teach well to the students. Now I want to say thank you. Allah Hafiz.